In this video, we are unboxing the Automotive Body Repair Toolkit. The product label. The Automotive Body Repair Toolkit. The Domed Body Dolly. The Curved Body Dolly. The Spoon Body Dolly. The Standard Flat Body Dolly. The Standard Body Hammer. The Pick Hammer. The Flat Face Precision Hammer. This kit can repair dents, small bumps, and deformations on metal panels, such as doors, hoods, fenders, and roofs. Straightens deformed sheet metal, knocks, crushed, or buckled panels back to factory contours. Shrinks stretched metal. To prevent paint cracking after repair, finishes fine ripples and low spots. Provides a smooth base for subsequent body filler and paint work. The Standard Body Hammer is used to repair stretched metal from impact damage. Striking with this hammer causes the metal to shrink back, eliminating bulges and stretch deformations. Pick Hammer. Pointed end reaches into tight, narrow, or deep dents. For precision spot repair, flat end levels large, shallow dents. Flat Face Body Hammer. Full flat striking face, used for leveling large panel areas. Repairs gentle dents and fine ripples after sanding. The Dome Dolly has rounded contour, matches large curved surfaces on doors and hoods, provides backing support for large dent. The Curved Dolly has angled contour, matches wheel arches, curved edges, and complex curves inside bumpers. The Spoon Dolly has thin, narrow tip, fits into door gaps, fender inner panels, tight body lines, and other confined spaces. The Flat Dolly has flat structure, used for straight line precision work on flat body panels, provides backing support on flat areas. Now let's begin the demonstration. When preparing the repair area, remove the interior sound deadening panels. To expose the backside of the panel, based on the depth, curvature, and location of the dent, select the dolly and hammer that match the panel contour. After selecting the correct dolly, place it behind the panel. Gently work the damaged area outward from the back side. Use the hammer to apply counterforce for leveling. For other areas, select the appropriate tool. Based on the curvature, depth, and location of the dent,